Welcome to the Strong IPTV Reseller Panel, where performance meets reliability. Here, stability isn't a promise, it's a standard. Our high-performance servers deliver smooth streaming, fast channel loading, and a viewing experience your customers can trust every single day. No complications, no stress. Our panel is built to be simple, clear, and powerful. Create users, manage lines, monitor activity, and control your business all from one easy dashboard. Need to create a test line? Done in seconds. Let your clients try the service instantly and see the quality for themselves. We offer a massive and diverse content library, live TV, premium sports, blockbuster movies, and series from around the world. All in high quality, your customers will love. And what truly makes us different? Real support, real people, real solutions. Our professional team is always ready to help you, guide you, and keep your service running smoothly. This isn't just another IPTV panel. This is a serious reseller business solution built for growth, stability, and long-term success. If you want a service you can rely on, a panel you can manage with ease, and a team that stands behind you, join our reseller network today. Contact us now and build your IPTV business with confidence.